a brisket flat and the Weber Jumbo Joe. Let's get to cooking. Alright, here's the flat. Put it right there. And I did put some hickory wood chunks. And I'll keep, adding more and more as the cook goes. But now let's just sit back, relax, and let the Jumbo Joe do his thing. It's going to be a great day. Beautiful morning here in Texas. Look at those colors of the sky. Beautiful. Alright, sitting at 261, and I've let the Jumbo Joe get to around 275. Well, look at that. Doesn't that look nice? After what, 4 hours? You can tell it's getting darker on this side since it's closer to your heat. But that's the B&B right there. But I will add one more in there. Yeah. Yep. And then since it is getting darker on that side, I am going to move it on this direction like that. As you can see how darker it is on that side. So let's get it up on that side. And then you want to spritz it. Yeah, looking good so far. So let's close it up and continue on. That looks neat, huh? Just seeing it fly. Look at that. There's an airport nearby, I believe about 10 miles from here. Pretty neat, huh? There it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and see what the internal temperature of that flat is, because if it's at where I like it at, then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm probably gonna wrap it. But as you can see, it's looking good. So 167, 68, 70, 71, 172. So I like that. There's the B&B. So I'm gonna take it off, wrap it in foil, and then let it go. But Looking nice. Smelling good. It's been a busy day. Planes flying. That the flats have been wrapped in aluminum foil. You know, you can do that, or if you got some butcher paper, that's fine too. But this is what I have at the moment. So I'm gonna close it off and then continue on. I'm gonna check the flat, you know, see where it's at. It smells good. Looking good. So let's first read what it's reading at. Alright, so it's reading at 212. And it feels good right there. I'm now gonna probe. Felt good right there. Alright, I'm gonna let it actually go for, I want to say, for another 20 to 30 minutes. And then, because it did feel pretty good, but on this part right here, on the thicker part, you did feel a little resistance there. So I'm gonna let it go for a little bit more. I'll say 20 to 30 minutes, and then take it off. Alright, here it is. After 7 hours of cooking time and 2 hours of rest time. Delicious. That beef flavor mixed in with the rub, Baker's barbecue. That rub. And it was oh man, that's nice. Great. Ooh, great aftertaste right there. That was nice. That was nice. I mean, this is just another easy cook, laid back cook. Let the Rubber Jumbo Joe do his thing. You know, he did everything. I sat back. All I did was just, you know, check up on it, and then applied the B&B briquettes whenever I needed to. I kept it up around 275, and it was yummy, delicious. So, you know, just another cook of just hanging out, enjoying my time, enjoying this right here, enjoying it. You know, I mean, it's the weekend, you know, enjoy your time. You know, and I was in the mood for some beef, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna get me a flat and cook it. So go out and do the same. Enjoy your time. Enjoy it with yourself, family, your friends, favorite beverage. Just kick back and relax. In here, I don't know if you can tell, but weather's changing here in Texas, so it's gonna start getting cold. So enjoying my time even more. To the next one, folks. Smoke on, everyone.